Hey guys, Sunny here from Sunny Mission, and today in this video I'm going to show you cleaning kit about DSLR. So maximum people are really confused about that. What cleaner should they use for cleaning their DSLR camera or point and shoot camera lenses? And I'm also really confused because I have a normal LCD cleaner, and I'm really confused that this normal LCD cleaner is used for cleaning my DSLR camera lenses, because camera lenses is really very expensive, guys, and I don't want to take any risk about that. So for that I have purchased a DSLR cleaning kit, and I'm going to unbox that DSLR cleaning kit. So this is the DSLR cleaning kit, and this is from Sonia, and this is 6-in-1 cleaning kit. In this there are 6 items, 6 things there is in your box, and today I'm going to unbox this cleaning kit in front of you. So before we do that, just remind you once again that my name is Sunny from Sunny Mission, and today in this video I'm going to show you the unboxing of DSLR cleaning kit. Hey guys, so this is the cleaning kit, and this is from Sonia company. This is a local company, I think, but I'm not sure that is it a famous company or not. But this is by Sonia company, and this is 6-in-1 cleaning kit. It means it contains 6 type of things, which I'm going to show you what type of things are there. And I purchased this at 300 rupees near my local store. So let's get started of unboxing. So here is it written 6-in-1 cleaning kit, and on the back side there's written function description is given. You got lens cleaning fluid, you've got blower brush for removing loose dust for lens surface, you've got soft cleaning cloth, 5 quality cotton pod, it's earbud I think, but let me check. Cleaning brush, comprehensive guide, and so unbox this and see. So one more thing is there, it's a lens tissue. So this is a tissue, this aside, and this I'm talking about this, guys. This is earbud, and so you've got 1 2 3 4 5 6 earbud, and yeah, this is not a lens cleaning bud, this is earbud. So guys, don't be confused, really this is the earbud. Keep this aside, and a microfiber cloth. This is a microfiber cloth. This is a brush for cleaning your lens dust. This is a liquid. God, this is a cleaning liquid for lenses and CD. Super is blower. What does it do? It removes the dust thing from your lens. So let me show you how this works. So that's all, guys. This let me keep this aside. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to clean your lens. So for that, take your Nikon lens. This is 55 to this. See, as you can see, this is 55 to 200 lens, and I'm gonna clean this lens from this cleaner and show you how it's work. So this is the brush, and I'm going to remove the dust first. So like this, you have to remove the dust first. Open your cap and remove the dust. Open this, remove your dust first. Now I'm going to take a blower and show you how to use it. So like this, you have to remove the dust particle. so it removes your dust particle. And then again take your brush and remove your dust. Now let me put this. Now take a cloth, microfiber cloth, and just put a liquid in it, a little bit. So one spray is enough, I think. And this is for body cleaning, guys. So I'm not able to show this how to clean your body mirror. And I'm not using tissue. Instead of this, I'm using microfiber cloth because microfiber cloth is safe, and in my point of view, it is good from tissue paper. So I'm going to keep this aside. Anyway, I'm going to clean this. So like this, clean. And on the opposite side there is dry, so just again wipe it from dry part. So as you can see, it's really clean your lens. So it's really clean your lens, as you will see, and it's good. But in my point of view, its price is high. If you are going to buy this cleaner from a branded company, then you have to pay, I think, about 1000 rupees. But this is local company and it will cost me 300 rupees. But in my point of view, it's really high price. So that's all, guys, about this Sonia cleaning kit for DSLR, and we have really got 6 items in this. The first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth item is there. And I hope that you found this video useful, and if you found this video useful, just go give a like, and if you didn't subscribe me, just go subscribe me, and not forget to share this video. So this is Sunny from Sunny's Mission, guys, signing off. Just take care and bye bye.